Hello everyone. Today we make Nutella cookies with wonderful idea. Please, if you not subscribe my channel, it's time to do it now. Here the material. The first we start with the filling because it's the dough and filling. 150 dark chocolate, 40 gram butter we melted together in microwave, 1 egg, 55 gram brown sugar, 1 gram salt, 50 gram Nutella, 1 gram vanilla. If you have vanilla extract will be much better. 60 gram flour, 2 gram baking powder and 1 gram baking soda. As you see, we mix all dry ingredients together. Make sure that you mix all. 1 egg. We added the egg, brown sugar together. You brown sugar with the eggs. Then after we melted the chocolate and butter in microwave, or you can make it in bain-marie, we added 50 gram Nutella, it will reduce the temperature and in same time will melt it very quick in chocolate and butter together. Let's mix it all. It's a very nice feeling, a lot of taste and very unique flavor. You can feel the Nutella. When you emulsify everything together, it's the time to add in the dry ingredients. It's much better to strain all dry ingredients to make sure that it's fluffy, harmony, there is no stones, nothing. Now we mix gently until all dry items emulsify with the battering. Then we keep it in the fridge for a while to be strong so I can roll it easily. Now it's little hot and it will be difficult to make a roll. Make sure that all dry ingredients dissolve. I pour into small tray, then I can put in the fridge for almost 30 minutes to get stronger so it's easy to roll it. It's like bonbon or truffle mixer. Now I add it to the fridge. Here the cover for the dough, very simple. 70 gram of butter, 55 gram powdered sugar, 1 gram salt, 25 gram of eggs. It's actually have eggs. I added vanilla to eggs to absorb the materials, and 155 gram of flour. I will write all the recipe in description box. Sugar, powder and butter together. You can mix by hand if you have food process, or KitchenAid will be much better. When it's soft, make sure it's really soft, because when the butter and sugar is fluffy, it's the volume increase and absorb more the flour and becomes very nice taste. When it's soft, as you see, it becomes like creamy. I can add the liquid, which is the eggs. I added the egg, and then be confirmed, all mixed together, as you see, becomes like beautiful or cookies. Then I added the salt. The salt give to the dough very pleasant taste. Make all the edges with the scraper, scrub all the edges. Don't lose any butter. Then to be ready to mix again. And you can add it the dry ingredients. It's similar like sugar dough or supply. Now you mix, just emulsify. After that, use your hand. Make sure all dry ingredients dissolve together. And this is the time to mix, and then you store in the fridge. When you store in the fridge about 30-40 minutes, just to be little strong, to fill it with the first dough. Now you scrub all the mixture. You have stable dough. We pour into a trays, then we refrigerator 30-40 minutes just to be strong enough to roll it. There is one trick. When you feel it, we must freeze the whole cookies before we bake, at least 1 hour in the freezer or 3 hours in the fridge. Now is the time. As you see, after half an hour, the filling, Nutella filling, is strong, so it's you can roll it very easy now. It's very important to scale the filling and the dough. It's 12 gram for the Nutella filling and 10 gram dough of the cookies. Here, after 30 minutes, the dough already strong, so I just dust with little flour because it's really soft dough. We roll. As you see, we make it 10 grams. So the dough, the cover less 2 grams than the filling, and that makes sure that the filling is really light skin around the Nutella, so you can feel the taste of the Nutella over the biscuit. You can roll. As you see, the dough of the cookies is very soft, so I dust with little flour all the time so it's not stick in your hand. And this is the time you can roll all filling together, keep aside in the fridge, then you roll the other cookies, and then one time to make all filling. This dough almost 20 pieces of Nutella cookies and really tasty with fantastic flavor.
Yeah? Did he make the apples for you?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
Now, as you see, you added small dough mixture, then you added the filling and you little push, and this fantastic. You can dust your finger with little flour so it's not stick, because it's really soft dough. And after you finish all, you keep in the freezer, very important, before you bake. You finish the dough. You preheat the oven 175 before you bake at least 10 minutes. So the oven will be hot. The cookies will be cold, so it's not melting. As you see, it's little crack, but it's fantastic. There, thank you for being in my YouTube channel. Please write your comment, make share for the video. And if you are first time, please make subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy the cookies, and I need to see your comment. Ahmad Younes.